Today's the day that we are going to transport the chickens to the butcher. There they are. I'm ready for them to get in the freezer. It's hard to keep their litter clean because they poop so much. You know, I put shavings down. It's just insane. So they've been coming out here getting fresh air. Huh. Interesting. So anyway, we're ready for that.
Boy, raising meat birds is really, they're just nasty. They stink. They gorge themselves, and but you know, you get a lot of meat for your freezer in a very short period of time. Anyway, it's time for me to break out the Kubota today before we take the birds in to be processed. And you know, that video I made back when, you know, I'll never be an angry old man video, that one. When I was working on the front area here, I've made a lot of progress since then, and I've actually been riding my lawnmower between the trees, and while doing so, there's a few trees that are in the way, and they're not really a wind block anyway, so I want to get them out of the way. So I thought I'd just break out the Kubota and just pop them out. Like this one, these smaller ones. That one, one of these two, probably that one, and finish up the area that I missed on that last video. You know, kind of raking it out. This is a long process to get to this stage, and I like the way it's coming out, so I want to keep it up. And also that little corner area that I used my little Wonder, my brush cutter in that video. I been using, you know, during my lawn work, I've been going across that corner, taking back that land, and I like the way it's coming out too. So it's been kind of divoted and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get some compost and fill it in as long as I got the Kubota out. And I'm going to smash some of this debris. When I used the John Deere, I kind of pushed a lot of this debris up into the woods here. I'm going to go ahead and smash it down while I have the Kubota out and smooth everything out real nice. Plus, I just like doing stuff like that. I use my Kubota now that my yard's all up and running. I use it mostly in the winter time now, but you gotta run it. You just can't leave it sit there all summer, so it's a good time to run it. We're crating them up, gonna take them in to be processed.
So did they give you an idea of when our birds would be ready?
It's usually a couple days, but I'm going to ask because they have only so much freezer space, you know.
And then do you pay them today or
No, when you because it's by processing weight.
okay? This is all new to me.
Yeah. Well, it's if your birds are under 7 pounds, it's $4 a bird. If it's more, then it's 75 cents a pound for chickens and turkeys under 7 pounds. I don't think any of these yeah, I think there's 2 different entities.
Wow.
You talk about some serious high winds. It's been like that up here in Minnesota. It's crazy winds. Anyway, I came out here with the very best of intentions to finish this project. And those trees I originally showed you, they're just those little tiny things. I thought I'd just pop those out, and I'll be done. But while I was driving by, I saw those 2 bigger trees. And I thought, yeah, those 2, I gotta get those. So when I dropped those and got them cut up and got everything cleaned up, I knew I had to go get those chickens ready for processing, and that's quite a drive. So we went way out there to drop those off. And I got hungry. I didn't feel like doing it anymore. So we'll get the rest in a future video. So don't you worry. See y'all later.